can see the carbon fiber weave, so it's a quality product like some of the other aftermarket stuff that's out there. And you can see the types. As you can see, this is where it affixes. There's several points along the diffuser that you'll need to fasten. You have here in the corner, you have right over here next to the exhaust pipe, you have two. Put another one in over here and over here next to the right side exhaust, and of course one on the end fasteners right over there. So as you can see, the fastener assemblies go right where the quarter panel plastic piece attaches, right where this attaches right over here, and it overlaps, and it's pretty secure. And by the way, the M Performance, it is real carbon fiber, no doubt about it.